this program by giving trophies to our best attendance members. Indaka best academics choosaru kadandi. Means these are the toppers in all the examinations. By calculating their marks, we segregated them. And now also best attendance means the student who is having very less leaves or zero number of leaves will be considered as the best student among the both classes. Like 5th Astra and 5th Shaurya, 4th Shaurya, 4th Astra. Among these classes, any 2 students will be selected as the best attendance students. Now, Thank you.
What about our graduation day?
I am also thinking about that same. I am so excited about it.
I'm feeling same about moving to higher class, being introduced to new teachers and also new friends.
Part of this excitement, there is also sadness of leaving our champ's life and also our teachers who taught us many skills and moral values.
Yeah, that's true. Living our champ's life is very sad moment for us, and the partic- the participation we all had together are unforgettable.
Yes, also our competition during zonal level sports meet, celebration of festivals, important days, and not only that our competition to get first rank and our classmates to be in the list of top 10, everything is unfair.
The competition all our classmates had for that top 10 is truly wonderful. And do you remember, once you got first rank and I felt very happy for you. But that moment increased the confidence spirit in me.
Really, those are fantastic moments a part of this. All our teachers who taught us lessons and moral values. We miss them a lot.
Not only lessons but also culture, especially our Telugu teachers, Rajini ma'am and Sukanya ma'am, they taught us culture, tradition, moral values from every lesson, poems, do and don'ts and how to respect elders, others. And also our mother tongue. Through Telugu being our mother tongue, we face difficulties in writing. About our Telugu teachers, through this dedication, they made the subject very easy for us.
That's true. Telugu being our mother tongue, it is easy for us to learn and speak. But Hindi is our national language, which we can talk fluently. Our Hindi teacher, Sayanas ma'am and Siva Parvati ma'am, through their simple tricks, made the subject also understandable for us. And it is a bright foundation for high school purpose.
Telugu is our mother language. Hindi is our national language. But English is our global language which is useful throughout the world. But such language our English teachers Sumya ma'am and Rizwana ma'am taught us in a reasonable and a logical way. They always corrected our wrongs and explained the formation of sentences that made our communication fluent, which is important pillar for the career of everyone.
Languages are used for communicating purpose, coming to our day-to-day life like buying, selling things, calculating time, bargaining things, calculating discounts. If we go to buy clothes, not only for one and for each and everything, maths that is logical and applicate subject which is very important. Such type of subjects our maths teachers Ratna ma'am and Jayalakshmi ma'am, they taught us very logically and practical way and explained all our doubts in a very clear way.
Yes, not only in our day-to-day life, the health precautions that we need to take are balanced diet. Our internal and external body information can be seen in science subject. Not only humans, also animals, nature, plants, such type of for future decidings. Our subject, our science teachers, Navya ma'am and Anju ma'am, taught us in a very dedicated way.
Part of that about our country's history, freedom struggles, great personalities, basic information about our government and politics and also about our physical features, location of countries in worldwide and so on. This all information is related to society. Our social ma'am Fatima ma'am taught us in a very clear way.
A part of all this, our funful subjects are also very important and helped us to improve our skills like general knowledge, computer basics and our hidden talents like color and craft, abacus, handwriting, life skills, everything helped us a lot to polish our skills.
Yeah, Karishma, remembering all this we spent in our chance making us more sad to live our chance life. Not only, and do you remember
our respected ZDO ma'am, who used to come to our classes and cross-check our academics and motivate us, not just only motivating. She became a role model to every one of us. Ma'am is smart, workaholic and very responsible person towards everyone.
That is true. Our ZDO ma'am supported us in every aspect. In the same way, our HM ma'am, Vanja ma'am also helped and supported us a lot in competitions like GK zonal level, Abacus zonal level, current class zonal level and so on. Not only in competitions but also in academics. Do you remember how ma'am used to come directly to our classes and taught us in a very simple way? Even during exams also, ma'am helped and motivated us a lot.
Yes, I do remember. And also our principal ma'am, Salima ma'am, also always supports us and encourages us. I still remember how two competitions we had with other branches during zonal sports meets. It's really unforgettable for me. Our team spirit, coordination and unity made our drills and games very successful. That's really a very great opportunity there we got to share our feelings. Now we request all our fellow graduates to give a big round of applause for all our chance teachers, HM ma'am, ZDO ma'am, principal ma'am for their efforts.
Thank you very much, teachers. You all are the best part of our life and unforgettable to us. Thank you.
నా నమస్కారములు. నా పేరు పునర్వి. నేను భాషన్ లిటిల్ ఛాంప్స్లో 5వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. ఈరోజు పట్టభద్రుల దినోత్సవం జరుపుకుంటున్నాము. అందుకు నాకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంది. నేను 5వ తరగతి వరకు భాషన్ లిటిల్ ఛాంప్స్లో చదివి ఇప్పుడు హై స్కూల్లో పెట్టబోతున్నందుకు నాకు చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉన్న కొంచెం బాధగా ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పటి వరకు మాకు విద్యాబుద్ధులు చెప్పిన మా ఉపాధ్యాయుల్ని వదిలి వెళ్ళాలంటే మాకు చాలా బాధగా ఉంది. వారు మాకు మంచి విద్యను నేర్పారు మరియు అనేక ఇతర విషయాలను కూడా మాకు తెలియజేసేవారు. వారు మా అల్లరి భరించి ఎంతో ఓర్పుతో మాకు పాఠాలు బోధించేవారు. నేను మా స్నేహితులు ఇన్ని రోజులు ఎంతో బాగా కలిసిమెలిసి విద్యను అభ్యసించాం. మా మధ్య ఎప్పుడైనా గొడవలు వచ్చినా మరలా మేమందరము ఓర్పుగా సర్దుకొని అందరము బాగా కలిసిపోయేవారు. మా బడిలో ఎన్నో కార్యక్రమాలు జరిగేవి. వాటిలో పాల్గొనడంలో మాకు ఉపాధ్యాయులు ఎంతో సహకరించేవారు. మాకు ఎన్నో బహుమతులు వచ్చేవి. బడిలోనే కాక ఇంటి వద్ద కూడా మేము పెద్దలతో ఎలా మెలగాలో మా ఉపాధ్యాయులు ఎప్పుడు మాకు బదులు చేస్తుండేవారు. పెద్దలకు ఎలా సహాయం చేయాలి, వారిని ఎలా గౌరవించాలో మాకు ఎప్పుడు బదులు చేస్తుండేవారు. మంచి నడవడిని ప్రవర్తనను మాకు ఎంతో బాగా నేర్పాము. మేము ఉన్నత స్థాయి తరగతులకు వెళ్ళడానికి కావాల్సిన పునాదిని అందించిన మా ఉపాధ్యాయులకు ఎప్పుడు రుణపడి ఉంటాము. చివరిగా మమ్మల్ని ఓర్పుగా భరిస్తూ విద్యాబుద్ధులు నేర్పుతూ మంచి క్రమశిక్షణ నడివిడిని నేర్పుతున్న మా ఉపాధ్యాయులకు మా చిన్ని చిన్ని అల్లరి పనులను భరిస్తూ మాకు కావాల్సినవన్నీ కొనిస్తూ మమ్మల్ని ఎంతో ప్రేమగా పెంచే మా తల్లిదండ్రులకు శతకోటి వందనాలు తెలుపుతున్నాను. అందరికీ పట్టభద్రుల దినోత్సవం శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను. ధన్యవాదములు.
Good morning to respected principal ma'am, ZDO ma'am, HM ma'am, and my dear parents and my dear fellow graduates. Today is a special day as we celebrate our graduation day. My name is Ikra Isaac from 5th standard. It is indeed a great pleasure to stand before you and share some precious moments we spent in our school from the past few years. Firstly, I would like to thank our teachers for their hard work and dedication. They taught us so much and helped us grow in so many ways. Next, I would like to thank our parents for their love and support. They always encouraged and helped us in our learning. I would like to thank and express my gratitude to my fellow graduates. I thank them for being friendly. We have shared so many memories and experiences. I congratulate all of you on our graduation from kindergarten to higher. Finally, I am thankful to the management of our school for all the resources provided. I am proud to be a part of this wonderful school. Have a nice day. Thank you one and all.
Chico చూస్తావుగా ఈ గాలి ఆడించే
రెచ్చడుకోగా రాయాల్లో సాంగా ఊళ్ళోకి వచ్చాడో పెద్ద పులిలాగా రెచ్చడుకోగా రాయాల్లో సాంగా ఊళ్ళోకి వచ్చాడో పెద్ద పులిలాగా చేయకుండా చూసే దూరంగా మర్యాద పోకుండా తిరిగొచ్చే వేగా గట్ట నడిచి వచ్చి గేటులని దాటుకొస్తే కింద గడలు పుట్టి దమ్ముగా మారే స్లీవు మరద పట్టి కాలరగా రేసుకొస్తూ చూళ్ళు విదిలిస్తే దుమ్ముజు మారే మరణం అసు మరణం అసు తరుణం అతడి పేరే మనకు శరణం అసు మరణం అసు తరుణం స్టెప్పులేసే కిరణం రచ్చడు
It's time to thank our one more person, our HM ma'am, Vanaja ma'am, who act as a pillar of support for our champs. Thank you very much, ma'am. And also my heartfelt gratitude to all the teachers, attendees, speakers and volunteers, and especially our graduates who made this event resounding success. Last but not least, I would like to share all the thanks to my parents for your presence. We are truly happy for